everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing some sunglasses that I bought, and it is right here in this huge box. So I bought some sunglasses and I just want to open them and show it to you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So with some scissors, I'm just gonna carefully cut the top of this. Okay, I'm gonna cut the rest of this part off. Whoa, it's quite a lot. So here's the sunglasses in here. I didn't expect it to be that much in the box, so... Or maybe the sunglasses is in here. Here's the gift bag for the sunglasses, and then some extra stuff. But that is all that's in the box. I'm gonna start out with the small item here and just pull it out. So I bought the Molsion x Xiao Zhan collaboration sunglasses. So yeah, I'm excited. How do I open this now? Oh. Alright. So this is actually, oh, it's the strap. So this is the strap for the sunglasses. It's actually pretty long. But yeah, this is the strap. It has the Molsion. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. Molsion logo right here. But yeah, that's the strap for the sunglasses. Let me just unwrap this part as well. But yeah. Okay, so onto this box. This is where the sunglasses are. So I'm going to just rip into the bubble wrap and take it out. Looks like this. So this is the box. And then let's open it. I'm actually kind of scared to open it because I'm afraid like something's gonna fall out. Here it is. Okay, so this is just some cleaning wipes, and this is what the box looks like. Wow. Here are the... See, I'm afraid something's gonna fall. Okay. Here is a standee of Xiao Zhan. But here are these sunglasses. And so here are the sunglasses, and you just take it out. And I don't know what this is, but I'll save it for later. And so this is the sunglasses case, and I'm guessing the sunglasses are in here. So the sunglasses case, you just open it like this, and here we have the sunglasses. Wow. Okay. is what they look like. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin it. Here's what they look like. Look cool. Hold on, my hair is like stuck. Whoa. I love sunglasses. I'm such a sunglasses girl. So it only fits like my nose right here. But looks cool. I feel cool. So these are the Molsion, however you pronounce it. I'm so sorry if I pronounced this brand wrong. Molsion C10 sunglasses, and I love them. I just wish like it would fit on my face better, but that's kind of a me problem. But these sunglasses look so nice. You can probably see like the background of my bedroom, and it's like all a mess, and I apologize for that. I think that's the name of these sunglasses, the C10, and they look like this. I'm sorry, you guys can see like my room in the reflection, but they look like this. And then you open it up, the handles, oh my gosh, my hair's stuck, look like this. And it's just so pretty. And yeah. So, my hair is stuck again in this part, but it's okay, I'll do this. Okay, fix my hair a bit. So when I'm looking for sunglasses, I tend to look for oversized sunglasses because I think my head or my face is kind of big and wide, so wearing oversized sunglasses help with hiding that or making it look like it's smaller. So these sunglasses, they are very pretty. I like them. They're kind of tight around like here, but I think that's a me problem because again my head is kind of big, and that's why I prefer oversized sunglasses. So they fit a little better here than on my nose bridge, so like right here. But they look pretty cool, and to be honest, I don't think I would have bought it if Xiao Zhan was you know, the model or endorsing it or sponsoring it, but yeah, this is pretty and I actually really like it. So let me just move my hair. And yeah. So like, I don't even know how to put the chain on, but in this picture I'm using for reference, it looks like it just goes on the handles right here. Are these even called handles? I don't know what they're called, but yeah. I'm gonna try, okay? Alright, so here is the chain. Let's see. So, okay, so it has this rubber thingy here, like in the picture, and we're gonna try it. I'm so scared. What if it snaps? Oh, I got it. Alright. Went through. So now, the other side. Oh, that was easier. Okay. And so, here it is. My hair again. Here it is with the chain on. Oh, it looks cooler with the chain on. And yeah. So these Xiao Zhan stickers came with the sets, and then my group order manager threw in this Yibo sticker. And then this thing that I said I'd come back to later, I'm coming back to now. Oh, so it's just a cloth cleaner for the sunglasses. Looks like this. And it's just plain gray on the back, but the front has this design. So I purchased these sunglasses through a group order because on my own I probably wouldn't have known how to buy them, but these are, again, this is the C10 with the chain. I don't know if it was just limited edition with the chain, but yeah, I grabbed it the second I could because I wanted a pair just because Xiao Zhan was endorsing it. But I actually do like them. They're very, very pretty. Yeah, these, I think they were about $147. I paid about $147 US dollars for these. It's around that price. But yeah, I like them. So I'm just gonna show you guys a better look of how this looks, or the box looks when you first open it, the packaging. So, whoa. So it actually looks like this, and this is where my sunglasses are not in here, but this is where it would go with the sunglasses case. Whoa, it's harder to do this without. And then looks like this. So pretty. I love the packaging. It's like a magnetic close. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.